Hello everyone, this is Jason of Pine Company, and today we have two Microsoft Word windows open, but as you can see, they are different. Over here on the side, this is Word 2007. I'm going to make that a bit larger. Okay, so that's Word 2007. And this is Word 2010 Beta. Let me also make that bigger. There. So, we are going to go through a couple of the differences and similarities between the two products. So, over here, we're going to go to 2007. You have the Insert tab. Well, actually, we're going to go through the Insert tab. Looks pretty much the same throughout. Page layout, and the same. Look pretty much the same. Yeah. Okay, I don't see much of a difference. So, references. No real difference. Mailings. No real difference. Review. Okay. There's something different in the review. Over here, there is a linked notes. So you can actually link OneNote, which is Microsoft's note, like virtual notebook, to Word 2010. That's a new feature, which in 2007 you cannot. Let's go over to View. These are bigger buttons, when over here they're a little smaller. Oh, I don't think, no, never mind. Well, these are also bigger, when over here they are not. And yeah. Now, the File menu. The File menu in this document, in Word 2010 Beta, is more of what they called their background, or what is it, backdrop, I believe. And basically, it's an actual tab in the tab, and it has physical buttons, and it has like a ribbon interface also to the side. When over here, it's a button that sits right there when you can select, and it has the recent documents and then info, recent, new, print, share, help. It's a bit more in depth. I've not actually checked in their add-ins. I've heard that's also a new feature. Yeah. So, let's try adding in a picture. So let me insert a picture from our desktop. I'll insert a huge B. Over here, they have removal of background, colorations, artistic effects, like you can put borders and stuff around it, have a shadow, and let's see, like that's a 3D effect. And over here in Word 2007, we will import a picture. 1 second. There we go. When this one, you can't, they do have certain effects, such as this, but the remove background is not there, and there were a couple more things that I heard. No, okay. Oh, another thing I want to point out. Let me remove these. Word art. In 2007, it would be, you would go to Insert, Word Art, select a style, so I'll just pick this, and hello world. And it would create this style. When you do have like different effects like shadowing, spacing, editing, and stuff like that. Over here, I don't know what I've heard. Let's see, insert, text. They have different things such as like fills, gradients, and this you can also add in like arrows. And one second. This is actually a text box, when over here you have to edit text. And it's not all that customized. Let me go back over here. Format. You can change the fill color. You can have a outline, so it is in a box. Like right here, it's in a black box that's off, quote unquote, off the page. So yeah, word art has changed. I'm trying to remember a couple of the other differences that I found. Yeah, none of them are really coming to my mind. So, yeah. Those are a few differences and similarities between Word 2007 and Word 2010. I mean, Word 2010 beta is right now free, so go and get a copy. I'll have a annotation that will link you there, because I already made a video on how to download that. So click on that annotation to get it for free, while it still is free. And yeah, I mean, the newer is normally better, so, and I would have to agree with that in this thing. Now, the reason that we're not going to compare all of the Microsoft products is mostly because, one, I don't have the whole suite, and two, that I was having some trouble because when I installed 2010, it's getting harder for me to access 2007 due to some compatibility issues between the two, because the newer does not always translate back to the older. So those are a couple of problems that need to be fixed. But I mean, other than that, there are some differences to the common user of Word, and yeah. So our information is in the outro. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.